Welcome to Roseland Resort and Campground, a premier gay men's retreat. Sending a warm welcome to y'all. I'm thrilled you're joining me on this journey through Roseland Resort and Campground, located in the scenic rolling hills of Proctor, West Virginia. If you're new to my channel, I'm Jerry Sedora, and I can't wait to show you what makes this extraordinary place so special. So let's dive right into it. As you can see, Roseland is a hidden gem, offering an exclusive retreat for gay men. Nestled amidst the serene landscapes and rolling hills, this sanctuary provides that needed escape. Roseland Resort and Campground is a gay-owned and operated retreat. They offer a unique private setting on 222 acres of rolling forested hills and meadows. What sets Roseland apart is its sense of community and the warm, accepting atmosphere that envelops this place. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking a peaceful getaway or a group of friends looking to connect and create lasting memories, Roseland offers the perfect space to relax, unwind, and be your authentic self. Roseland offers men a chance to leave their worries behind while frolicking, yes, I said frolicking, freely on 222 acres of thick vegetation. It is an amazing gay man's playground. I mean campground with friendly employees and owners. There are lots to do if you love relaxation, partying, nature, and beautiful scenery. Accommodations at Roseland are designed with your comfort in mind. From cozy cabins to well-appointed RV sites and tent camping spots, there's an option to suit every preference. Rest assured that you'll find a safe and inclusive environment where you can fully enjoy your stay. Now let's talk about that incredible range of recreational activities available at Roseland. Take a refreshing dip in the pool, or simply bask in the sun, connecting with other guests, or relax connecting with nature on several marked hiking trails. The resort also offers relaxing amenities, 2 hot tubs, a sauna, ensuring that you can fully unwind during your stay. Roseland takes pride in its vibrant community spirit. Throughout the year, the resort hosts a variety of events, from themed weekends to special entertainment nights, where you can mingle with the fellow guests, make new friends, and create lifelong memories. When it's time to satisfy your taste buds, Roseland has you covered. Enjoy delicious meals at the on-site restaurant where you can savor a variety of culinary delights. Or visit the town hall for your homemade style pizza made your way.
Sunflower, you're mine. Sunflower.
Well, folks, that concludes our tour of Roseland Resort and Campground. I hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek into what makes this men's retreat so enticing. So whether you're seeking relaxation, connection, or a fun-filled adventure, Roseland offers an unforgettable experience in the heart of West Virginia's mountains. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next escape and include Roseland Resort and Campground on your bucket list. Visit their website or give them a call to book your stay and immerse yourself in this incredible men's retreat. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you here at Roseland. Until then, take care. Happy travels.
Sunflower.